All right, everybody. We are going to rainbow write like last week, which means when we are rainbow writing, we pick one thing to write with first, which might be a pencil, and then we pick another thing to write with, which might be a crayon or a marker, and try to write these words 3 more times each after you read them. These are our cycle 20 words. This first word is can. Can, C-A-N, can. If you're doing this on a computer, you can change the ink colors. K-N, can. This word is pinch. You see the CH at the end? Ch, pinch, like to pinch your skin. Pinch. Very good. All right, this word is d-I-sh. See the SH? Dish. Dish. This word is pit. Pit. Like a peach pit. It's like the seed of a peach. P-it. P-it. This next word you've seen in several of our stories now. Ham. Ham. H-A-M. 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 Ham. This looks just like ham, but it has a different beginning sound. A Y makes what sound? Y. 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 So it's y-am. Yam. A yam is like a sweet potato. Yam. This next one is v-an. V-an. Van. Like a type of car that might be a van. Very good. This next word is slip. Slip. SL says slip. 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 Next word is rim. 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 Like a basketball hoop rim or the rim of a glass. It means the very edge. R-I-M. Rim. This word is 10, but not like the number 10. This is the 10 that is like a lot of people will say it's a tin can. If you drink soda out of a can, a lot of people will call it a tin can. It's a type of metal. This is a sight word hidden in another word. So the first letter says and then and hand, hand. Nice job. This is path, like a walking path, like a little walkway, because we know TH says th. So it's P-A-T-H, P-A-T-H, P-A-T-H. This word, bam, bam, B-A-M, 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 like a big loud noise says bam. The next word we're going to do is grab, grab, like you're going to go grab something. G-r-a-b, g-r-a-b, grab. Very good. This word you've seen a couple of times. You may not have picked up on it, but like cycle 19, list, cycle 20, list. So it's when you make a list, like a grocery store list. L-I-S-T. The next one, this is a sight word, there. There. Now, do you think that this there is the one that talks about their doggy that belongs to them? Or do you think this is the there that says over there is a dog? It's the second one. Over there is a dog. The other one is T-H-E-I-R. And so there's a couple of theirs in the English language. This one is they, They, another sight word, they, very good. This last one's a sight word too. It's if this says there up here, THERE, then this WH says wh, and then air, ERE, just like there. It's air, where, air, air, where. Very good. Let's go back through them and just see if we can read them together. Where, they, there, list, grab, bam, path, hand, tin, rim, slip, van, yam, ham, pit, dish, pinch, can. Very good. So make sure that you rainbow write this list during this week so that you can show it to your parent or family member or sister, whoever's with you, and take a picture and upload it to your teacher. Have a great day.